Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, based on your time and your location. How are you doing? Happy Sunday to you all. This is another latest of the latest. So guys, just watch the tutorial. Make sure you don't skip. Any one of it. So just watch to the end. Try and watch to the end, and your measurement, make it 50-50. Yeah, guys, you will really enjoy this. You will really enjoy the tutorial. So, and the hairstyle is not even hard. Very simple, very simple. Yeah, very simple. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And if today is your first time seeing my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, guys. You can see the way I'm picking the step. So you have to pick it and leave one hand, then pick the second hand, pick the step, do it the way you did the first time. So you can see, then I'll tie it. So guys, you can see that it's very simple. So let me just leave you guys and watch the way I'm doing it. Alright guys.